have come up with absolutely nothing about this pack of cigarillos. You have this gentleman's face here. You have Casanova 10 cigarillos, Stringberg. Very interesting. You see on the side we have nothing. The bottom we have more of the same. We have nothing. Absolutely nothing. On the reverse side, nothing. I have no clue how old this pack of cigarillos is. So we'll go ahead and we'll crack them open. We'll see. Maybe there'll be something interesting on the inside. I have no clue. Break our freshness seal very carefully. Ooh, it's being a pain in the butt.